How to file your own taxes with TurboTax. Well, it's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started. First thing first, all you gotta do is to create or log into your TurboTax account. Go to the TurboTax website and either sign in or create a free account. Once you are in, click Start a New Return. Once done, TurboTax will ask you some basic questions about you, like your name, social security number, address, and filing status. Just answer honestly and accurately. Once done, the TurboTax will guide you through adding your income. This will include W-2 forms from your job, 1099 forms for freelancer or side work, investment or bank interest income. You can type the numbers in manually or upload a photo of your W-2 if that option is available. TurboTax does the math for you. After that, it comes the part that can help lower your taxes. TurboTax will ask about things like education expenses, medical cost, donation to charity, student loan interest, and many more. You just have to answer the questions. If something applies to you, TurboTax will automatically add a deduction or credit. After that, what you need to do is review your tax summary. After entering everything, TurboTax shows you a summary, whether you are getting a refund or if you owe taxes. Take your time here, double-check your income numbers, spelling of your name, and bank details. Once done, you can usually e-file your return directly to the IRS. If you are getting a refund, choose direct deposit so the money goes straight into your bank account. And if you owe money, you can pay online using your bank account or card. And that's it. TurboTax walks you through everything like an interview, so just follow along step-by-step process. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you in the next one.